What the f? Is this a house? I made the wrong house?
Oh
hey,
my
I
God.
did. Okay, hi, this is Peter. I'm the owner of this house.
Hi, I'm June. I'm his wife.
Okay, before renovating our house, we did a little bit of research and we go to this website called Renopedia.sg. They recommend us a few interior designers to compare the quotes, but most of them quote us from $30,000 to $60,000, which is not within our budget. That's why we cannot cope with that budget so far. But there's this guy, he come up in the Facebook advertisement and he said he can do the whole renovation for the whole house less than $10,000 for less than $10,000. That's why I feel like, yeah, why not give it a try?
Hello, my name is James. People call me the Reno King. Why they call me Reno King? Because no matter it's big house, small house, you come to me, I will give you a good renovated house for your dream home. And I've been in this industry for 30 years.
But how old?
How old am I? 35. Actually, doesn't matter one. Age doesn't matter one. Most important is I have done a lot of high-profile projects, a lot of magnificent projects, such like Garden by the Bay, Marina Bay Sands, etc., etc. So you don't care about my age.
Wait, but all that belongs to the architect's rules, right?
Is it? Architect meh? Yeah, I tell you, doesn't matter. For example, there is a couple. The guy is called Peter, the girl is called June. They went a lot interior design firm. Then they quote them the budget like 30k to 60k. But I quote them only 10k. And I give them the challenge. I tell them, I will complete your home in 1 week. This is my strong point.
Are you sure?
Sure lah. You all don't keep on ask this kind of question. I show you the portfolio. Come. Now, I see the floor plan already, right? I come out the design idea. I tell you, very sweet one, the house, very chill one. You see?
Wait, you decide everything in Canva?
Oh, you know Canva.
Hey, it's our new house, it's the day.
Yeah.
I saved 3 years for this renovation,
So
man.
excited.
Oh, hey, give us the key, man. Faster, cannot wait already, bro. Lie. Faster. What the f? Is this a house? I made the wrong house?
Oh
hey,
my
Adi,
God.
what's this? Hey, bro, what's this?
Daddy!
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.